It's final season and we're all hitting the books. Are you in need of an energy boost? But before you reach for that cup noodle, hot Cheetos, or energy drink, remember that they'll only give you a temporary boost of energy that results in a crash. For a steady stream of energy, opt for more nutritious meals that include starch and carbs, proteins, fiber, and fats, aka the nourishing four. I bet now you're like, okay, that sounds cool and all, but who has time to cook healthy meals during finals week? So how can we eat a healthy meal and prepare it in a pinch? Enter the mug meal. They are super quick and easy meals you can make in the microwave and are a perfect way to nourish your body without spending too much time in the kitchen. Today we'll be going over 2 mug meal recipes, one for breakfast and one for lunch or dinner. First up, we have the coffee cup quiche. Start by adding 2 eggs, 1.5 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper to your favorite coffee mug. Use a fork to mix everything together. Next, take 1 slice of bread and tear it into dime-sized pieces and stir it in. Lastly, mix in half a cup of chopped greens. Microwave your mug for about 1 minute or 10 seconds, or until the eggs are firmly cooked. Top off your quiche with sliced avocado, cheese, or hot sauce. And just like that, you have an easy, filling, and gourmet breakfast that'll keep you going all morning. Next up, we have the microwaved fried rice. In a microwave-safe bowl, mix half a cup of leftover or frozen rice, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a cup of veggies. You can use fresh or frozen veggies. In a separate mug, mix 2 eggs and a pinch of salt and pepper. Microwave both mugs for 2 to 3 minutes or until the eggs are firmly cooked. Use a fork to break up the eggs and toss them with your rice. Top off with some hot sauce. And voila! Microwaved fried rice that came together faster than ordering takeout. And there you have it, 2 quick and nutritious meals to get you through finals week. For recipe ideas and nutrition information, be sure to check out our website at wellness.sfsu.edu/nutrition. If you aren't already, be sure to follow us on social media at SF State Cares. On behalf of all of us here at Health Promotion and Wellness, we wish you good luck on all your final exams and projects.